Most people believe artificial intelligence lives in silicon. They are wrong. Pause of ones. In 2026, AI has a different color. It shines like pure gold. What you are seeing is not just metal, it is the atomic infrastructure of superintelligence. For decades, we were told that the digital world was ethereal, a ghost in the machine. But the ghost has finally found its body, and it is heavier than anyone imagined. While the world sleeps, a silent race is draining global reserves. Every bank vault, every central reserve is being watched by eyes that never blink. Future cities will not be built on credit or paper, but on raw physical processing power. Welcome to the era of absolute digital scarcity, a time where the distance between having power and being obsolete is measured in grams of high conductivity matter. Mining has changed. We no longer seek just monetary value or jewelry for the elite. We seek conductivity. We seek the perfect medium for the digital soul. Every gram of gold extracted today is destined to fuel the silicon neurons that will decide who rules the next century. This is not a gold rush for wealth. It is a gold rush for existence. Welcome to the server room of the physical debt. Here, code demands matter to exist. You cannot run the world on a cloud that has no ground. The most precious matter of all is the only one AI still cannot replicate: physical rarity. Every calculation, every AI-driven decision you make creates a debt to the physical world, a debt that must be paid in gold. Giants like OpenAI and TSMC discovered the secret long ago. To reach AGI, General Artificial Intelligence, the perfect algorithm isn't enough. You can have the smartest code in the universe, but without the perfect atomic highway, it will remain trapped. And that highway is made of gold. It is the only element capable of handling the quantum heat of a mind that thinks a million times faster than your own. We are melting down the old economy to forge the new. The jewelry of the past is being recycled into the brains of the future. Gold that once sat idle in central bank vaults for centuries is now flowing into quantum chips, transforming into living, breathing intelligence. We are literally liquefying our history to power our destiny. The speed of assembly is frantic. Millions of connections soldered in fractions of a second by machines that move faster than the human eye can track. Every spark you see is the birth of a new neural network, a new capability to process reality on superhuman scales. We are no longer building tools. We are weaving the fabric of a new biological digital synthesis. These quantum connectors are the portals to the future. Cooled to temperatures near absolute zero, they ensure that information flows without resistance. No friction, no lag, just pure, unadulterated intelligence. If gold is the body, electricity is the soul of AI. And in this temple of technology, there is no room for the weak or the slow. For those trading the XAUUSD market, the game has changed forever. You are no longer trading against other humans with emotions and fears. You are trading against systems that feel the heartbeat of the hardware before the chart even moves. They don't look at patterns, they look at energy consumption. They know the price of gold because they are the demand for gold. Sovereignty is now physical. The trader of the future understands that the gold curve and the AI compute curve are, in fact, the same line. They are inextricably linked. Whoever controls the hardware dictates the price of tomorrow. The markets are no longer a reflection of human psychology. They are a reflection of hardware availability. Precision is everything. In this new world, there is no room for almost. Every milligram counts. In the new financial system, the guarantee is not a signed contract or a government promise. It is the actual weight of the matter that sustains your local artificial intelligence. If you cannot weigh it, you do not own it. The big shift won't happen in the public cloud. The cloud is a cage controlled by those who hold the keys to the servers. The real revolution will happen on your own hardware. Sovereign OS is the manifesto of a new era. where your AI can never be censored, limited, or turned off, because it lives on your own sovereign hardware. Hidden beneath layers of physical and digital security, submerged data vaults are the new fortresses. They are the backup of human civilization, protected by the immutability of hardware and the coldness of technology. Deep underwater, where the heat of intelligence meets the silence of the abyss, the new world is being archived. The future won't just be downloaded, it will be owned. It will be built in gold, silicon, and courage. We are standing at the edge of the greatest substitution in history. Own the hardware. Own the future. Subscribe to Dominate PR.